Hi, Climax TV Ghana, and your first time I coming across any of our videos at your Facebook, TikTok, Instagram at Climax TV. Feel free and share what doing at the comment section. I like your videos, no, for more latest news updates. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ebe addressi nation no entra na areho or then sembi etudwa Climax TV Ghana de. Yaba be breaking it down to you for you to understand. Ebusia. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say following the tragic helicopter crash happening here on the 6th of August 2025. Sa helicopter anam so ama Ghana penny for baku mwatwe ato ananom wonse do no kese na areho odi areho wonimu efise sa ministers mienu no titiru no omo ye nkrofo bi anomo da nakoma so pa but isan say owu ekradia nkwa entimenje nenti no chese ena ama impenifo mwatwin omunyina to nananom wonse do. Now His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say was setting up a committee as a committee no ebusia omo eba be conducting an extensive investigation on a plane crasher helicopter crasher happening ewo Ashanti region afesu so nyameboa the 3 days national mourner or setting up no nyameboa ochina enebe ende na ewo Jubilee House in nyameboa ochina kese enim ho no no obibie ama kese Ghana fo nyina wa obetimi aba ho no waba na kese omo pay their final right to if anything Ghana penifo watwin omato nananom wonse adui afesu so o see book of condolences ebibie ato baako the Ministry of Foreign Affairs baako so the Ministry of Defense baako so the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources and afesu so Jubilee House ho no ma baako be ho no na chese obe open up to nkrofo ha bia pese otro bibi unim bibi efa nkrofo mato nananom wonse adu ho a obetimi akoho akwakochro eri amomo ebusua we eyarehosem ebusua we eyarehosem na ohwese na nipa esida botoma ebusua nipa yensehwe nipa yensehwe ti se wo sesa wadwin na wafa tenene kwan no so a ebeboa wo ebusua ebeboa wo if you say we don't know what will happen the next minute. Ebusia. Okay, see na. Bo manie how Honorable Dr. Mutala changing the mindset. I just say joining helicopter na omodi free Greater Accra region. I just say na komode ba Ashanti region no. We're booking a flight too. But at the eve hour no na offer the Ashanti regional minister ekache ni say onti mi fa the commercial flight na but however obe join the helicopter no, and you see Murtala Mohammed was not part. No Nkrofo na say nkomo fa helicopter no Murtala Mohammed was not part ebusia na Muntaka, that is the interior minister Aswansi minister no ono Aswansi MP no ono na say nka o join omo but all through plane na ato force and a train say ompene emanem fro ebusia Yamompire. Say Yamompire, let's seek God in favor. You see, say Yakupon favor no also our own. Hey, can't be muni, banya dia be wu. Ya be planning, ba ube skippy. Ebusia. No matter what we are doing, ebusia, no matter position our war, God is the only one who can protect you. You see, that is what I believe. Yakupon kwa enebetimi a protector. It's only God that can protect you, that can save you. Ebusia, umami timi save you, usika timi save you. Politicians cannot save you, but it's only God that can save you. Ladies and gentlemen, I need to know. You see, asemisia, we have to learn something from it. Politicians are dying. Everybody is dying. Ladies and gentlemen, I Climax TV Ghana. Make sure say subscribe to our channel no. Your Facebook, your TikTok, your Instagram at Climax TV. Your sign our X at Climax TV Ghana. Ebusia. Yebeko so monitor Monchimoka Highway ni so update bia ebe drop no. Climax TV Ghana. Yemfa enkame. Eda se ne ebe sign Asia Macau.